Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches. Huh? You think you can do this shit? Jay! You think you can do this to me?
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, to another video. And I'm back from pacing. The mirror, I already have it in. It's in the house right now. I just need to put it in, but it's been raining nonstop for about 2-3 days. So oxygen sensor, we got this in. So we're gonna put this in because it's missing it from the bank 1 sensor 2. The only thing we had on the scanner. So I'm gonna put that in, and a little sneak peek about the rims. You guys seen these already. If you guys are old to the channel, you guys seen Project Genesis. These are actually the wheels I bought for those. I paid about $1,200 for all 4 of them, but I didn't put all 4 because I didn't have the lock nuts on it yet, because this does have different bolts than the Genesis. I couldn't just swap over all the new bolts from down to this one. These are still the OEM forward ones, but I got the locks in the garage, so I'm gonna put one on this one, test to see if it fits. Then I'll put the rest of the rims on the car because these gotta go, bruh. Look like crap, to be honest. So we got the O2, which is good. It's gonna run a little bit cleaner. It ran already, but you know, safer the better. I also bought the alternator because the battery didn't hold up. It obviously was dead the last time you guys saw it with the new battery, so it's the only thing that can explain it. I'm also gonna get the wires checked next week. And the same time, I also bought a brand new radiator fan, because the radiator fan did not work either. I told you guys that. So I already got the fan, I already got the alternator, I got the wheels in, I got the locks in, I got the mirror in, I got this in, I got the door panels, I got everything's already basically here. So just waiting for a few internal pieces, the door panel pieces, basically, stuff like that, and then the dash. Haven't bought the stereo and stuff like that yet, but I do have the sub box ready. I'll show you guys pretty soon how that looks like, and I will give you guys a startup today. The weird thing about this car though, when I looked it up on before buying it, like the report, it said Bullet on the report, so I'm not sure if it's a Bullet or a Mach. It has like a bunch of accessories. The stereo that it has inside currently is a Mach 400. If you don't know what that is, it's like a premium package that comes with like a double din stereo. Obviously the guy took it out, but it comes with a pre-built amplifier. It comes in with these little Mach tweeters. If you've seen it in the first video, it has those tweeters built up. This is Mach on them, and then on the back it has the entire speakers and tweeters and shit all packed up with the amp. Mach 460. You can obviously that whole shit out. It doesn't work. It sounds like crap. And I'm just gonna put some 250 watt crunch speakers, something just to get me through the day. So I'm gonna put those in, and I'm gonna take out the speaker that's inside the Mach tweeter. These are the tweeters I was talking about. I'm gonna start this up. Got the jumper cables on it. Let's see what it do. The theft light goes on. It's already having that issue. If you guys know about these Mustangs, they get like a theft light. You gotta remove like the fuse, whatever. But we'll see. This is just straight up off the bat. You got the keys. Car's been dead for a couple days, so start it up and see if the power passed through. Theft light. See if it goes. Yeah, this thing is dead. Try it one more time. Oh. There goes the theft light blinking. It's probably that holding me back, but it's not even. Hold on. Alright, so I fixed the wires up a bit. Bro, this thing is dead, bro. And this thing's already been jumped up for about like 2 minutes, 3 minutes already. I'm already starting to cut the clips, bro. At this point, I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's charging up. Alright. Bruh, I literally just tried it like 2 times right now and it worked. You guys missed it, but here's the cold start. So this dude, instead of putting a whole custom exhaust, freaking removed it. It's just a classic exhaust sound fix. To get some sound, people just cut the exhaust off and leave it like that. But the good thing that he didn't chop it, he unbolted it, so I do have the opportunity to put a custom exhaust on it or just weld up a new one. If anything, I want an X pipe or like an H pipe to get some torque. Let it charge up for a bit. But I think this alternator is bad. I'm pretty sure. So I got a whole new alternator coming in. And I have the fan coming in. Fan is not even on. All right, let me give you guys some revs. You guys deserve that. It might sound a little weird without the O2 sensor and the cats are beat up, but let's see what it do. Put the camera on the bottom, you guys can hear it better. And from the inside. Let it charge up a little bit. I got these pieces already in, everything, if you guys seen the first video, but it's like a recap. I got these in already on both sides. Still haven't bought this, but I have the fan for the radiator, the cooling fan. I also have the alternator. I just got the O2 sensor because it was missing from bank 1 sensor 2, so before the cat takes 2, so we can get this check engine light off. I mean, I think that's the ABS. Bro, I gotta switch this shit too. I haven't bought this either, but you know, it'll take time. I'm not trying to fix this car up in 1 month. You know, I'm trying to take my time, 2-3 months. That way, you know, I don't get too broke trying to fix this car up, because things are as cheap as you can afford it to be. So it's like, I'm gonna keep going with the build, see how we can do it, take it step by step, enjoy it, because this car will be mine for a bit, temporarily, until I repaint the whole car. Because I want to repaint the entire car. If you guys haven't seen, the paint looks like shit. Check this out. That's the original color right there. And then I think it's the same as this. I don't know. But yeah, that was the original color. They painted it black. But let me know in the comments though, which color would you guys want to see? Because I know a professional painter, and he can get down on this shit real good. So let me know. A couple more spots where you can see the paint. It's not even like, actually looks pretty good. Hold on. What the fuck? That paint actually looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, that was the starter right there. One quick look at the motor one more time. There you go. There's a brand to the wheel locks right here. So if you guys wanted to see what it looks like with the Mustang wheel on the Genesis, for shits and giggles, that's the wheel right there. That's the one I swapped out. So right now, I'm about to swap all these over to the Stang. So I just found out I don't have enough jack stands. I just got these 2 per wheel at a time, same way I did this one. Take off that wheel, go to that one, swap them. Next wheel, swap. And for you guys just see it as like a time lapse per wheel. That way it'll be a lot quicker. So let me get to it, and we're gonna see how the Stang looks like with all these new wheels on them. New, but not new. See you guys in a bit. So a small little recap. This is the wheel right here we just took off. That's how it's looking right now. I'm gonna put you guys back on the time lapse. Alright, so back to back. Bad news and shit. Bolts are all mixed up. Now this goddamn thing in the middle, I wasn't counting for that. The rear wheels didn't have this issue, so I just didn't know I had this shit. So this shit popped out, and that's the cap for the rim. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I have no choice but to leave it fucking open. But fuck. I started bolting it up. I don't know if you saw in the video, but it just popped off. So unless I figure out a way how to fucking bend this shit to fit it, kind of like warp it outwards, oh, I don't know, or just leave it open. Shit on camera looks cool, but in person looks fucking weird. Cause check this out. This one looks way cleaner. And you go back to the front. That's that hole in the middle. Tried this spacer that I got off the Genesis, the 5mm. Does not work. Check this out. It hits the center bore. So this helped this wheel grab onto my Genesis, so it'll be a perfect fit. This should help me out because my rim was hitting the caliper on the Genesis. So I guess I have no choice but to put the rims the way it is. I'm already out of breath because I'm going back and forth, back and forth. I'm gonna see if I can get all the footage. Nothing else I can do about that for now. Just continue on with the process, and then I'm gonna see you guys when it's all done. And we let the project continue. Wheel does not fit, bruh. Look at this shit. It's already fucking hitting the caliper right in there. And look how far off I am from the bolts. I still need like another inch to go this way. Damn. And I sold the factory rims already. I don't know, it's like a risk. Cause if I swap everything, I'm gonna have to leave this shit on stands. I'm gonna give the backyard a little check real quick, and I'm gonna see if I have some rims, cause these two front wheels are gonna be an issue. The two wheels in the back, I feel like this one had a perfect fitment in the rear, so it's gonna be the same on the other side. Just these two wheels I need. Whew. So, story with these, if you go even farther back on my channel, I used to have a Jetta. These are TSWs. Voila. They fit. It has a huge offset to it, huge positive offset, so it pops out on purpose. Dude, the brake is not even close. Everything is perfect. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a 20. Yeah, 20 inch. It was super stretched because it was scraping against the Jetta because the wheel was too big for it. But in this case, I don't really care. I just want this car to sit. I don't want it to sit on jack stands. So I'm gonna have this wheel in the front. And then I'm gonna have two Mustang wheels in the back. But this is the only way I can do it. And that Mustang looking fire. So we gotta continue with this already, bro. We got to. So it might seem like I'm doing a lot of this shit for content, but trust me, bro, this is like me going to my last resort. I didn't sell these rims. I don't know why. They lasted years in my backyard, even when we switch houses, but they're still here and they're still working and they're still gonna help me out. So keep watching if you guys love this channel, you guys love the content, because this is crazy. These rims, they're a pain in the ass because it's super deep in. And you have to have all the right tools. That's why you see me going back and forth, because I gotta find the right fitment for all these fucking bolts. And then the key. Oh man, so I'm all done now. All out of breath too. The only thing is bugging me, that little hole right there, but bro, on camera it looks good. In person, bro, I don't know. Here's this side right here. looking way cleaner. I think it looks pretty sick. Because after I got them, it was like deja vu. I started seeing people have them on Mustangs and Cobras and all that stuff. But realistically, I had these rims already for over 1.5 years, 2 years. So like, I didn't get it for no trend. I was just on Car ID, and I was just going through all the rims like I always do for my Jetta, my Elantra, and I found these. If you want to get the exact, here it is right here, the branding and everything. I just need to wash the wheels, but hopefully this right here can be the thumbnail. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, she's looking good. But I feel like the wheel lifted the car up by like 1 inch or something, because the gap was the same big with the other wheels. But now with these wheels, the car is actually higher because the wheel diameter is bigger. So it makes the car look like it's lifted. But the gap is basically the same. So if anything, I can do a drop on it, like a 1 inch, 1.5 inch drop. I don't want to slam it, because if I slam it, I'm gonna be scraping, especially because I have something planned for the front. So, oh man, we're all done with that one. Take a look at this. This is how the Genesis looks like right here. If you guys haven't seen it, if anything, I can just salvage the intake and throw it on the Mustang. But here's what the TSWs. The Mustang wheel. Same thing on this side. And another TSW. And the useless spacer. Probably just keep them in storage or something, because I'm not gonna need them if they don't work on the Mustang or this shit anymore. But let me show you the damage of the glass real quick. Yeah, that's where the truck hit. Bounced off the windshield, came back down. But kind of like it ramped up. It hit here and hit the glass and then shot back down. I have about 40-50 minutes of video for this, footage for this video, so I'm about to chop it down and make it look right. But yeah, we done. The mission's over. Alright guys, that's enough for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Thanks for staying in tune with the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next.
I run shit here. You just live here. Yeah, that's right. You better walk away. Go and walk away, because I'm going to burn this motherfucker down. King Kong ain't got shit on me.